Hey Lane Pride, it's your girl Britt, the owner and operator of Crafts by Britt, and today we are just going to get on here and chit chat about the class that I have coming up on May the 4th at 1 p.m. CST. We had a lot of people that RSVP'd, but the amount of RSVPs is not totaling the amount of tickets sold, so I just wanted to get on here and discuss with you all a little bit more about the class. So we'll wait for some people to get on here, and then we'll get started. Hello, welcome to the video. Please like the video, comment the video. Like the video, comment the video. Today we're going to be talking about our Cricut print and cut class that's going to be taking place Saturday, May the 4th. Just like want to give y'all some more details about it. It is available on our website, BrittWithTheBlanks.com. Hello, Miss Americas. Hello, Miss Priscilla. Yeah, so it's available on our website, BrittWithTheBlanks.com. And you guys, in this class, it's going to be about a 1 to 2 hour long class. And the main thing is to show you all how to use dark transfer paper. A lot of people are saying like, well, I want to have my own DTF machine because what if I get a last minute order? If you don't have a DTF machine and you're outsourcing your transfers, this is going to help you out. Learning how to use dark transfer paper is going to help you out, okay? And then we're also going to be making stickers in the class. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to go in, we're going to design a dark transfer product and a sticker product in about 3 different programs. If y'all new to the video, like the video, comment the video. So we're going to use 3 different programs to actually create this design. Then I'm going to show you how to add the designs to Cricut Design Space and how to use your machine to get it to cut it out or whatever. So like I said, the class is going to be about an hour or 2 long. It's going to take place Saturday, May the 4th at 1 p.m. CST, which is going to be this Saturday. A part of this class also, you're going to be able to look, y'all, if you're new to the video, like the video, comment the video. But yeah, part of this class is that you're going to be able to get the part 1 version of our dark transfer class. And so thus for you'll be paying $9.99, but you'll be getting 2 classes, okay? The first version of the class is going to be pre-recorded. Second version is going to be the live class that's going to take place on Saturday. And if you're not able to attend, you can still get the class and just watch the replay, okay? The replay will be on a dashboard where you can log in and keep track of everything. If y'all have any questions, let me know. But like I said, the class is only $9.99. We do have Sezzle Shop Pay on our website, so you can get it, whatever $9.99 is divided by 4, you can get it for that price. And then it includes 2 classes, the first dark transfer class, the second one. But like I said, in this one, the difference is that we're going to be actually making stickers and doing t-shirts too. So like I said, we're going to learn how to design, how to cut the design, and then how to press it to the shirt. And this class is mainly tailored towards those that want to do DTF transfers instead of buying a DTF machine, but you're afraid that if the transfers don't come in time, you won't be able to do the orders, or like if you get a last minute order. Dark transfer paper is basically you using a inkjet printer with regular ink, and it's gonna print on a specialty paper. That specialty paper is going to be peeled off, and then you're going to adhere it to your t-shirt, okay? So it's not going to be as durable as a DTF design, DTF transfer, but it's going to be able to get the job done if you're ever in a clutch for last minute orders, okay? Smiley J. Jones says, good evening. Good evening, Miss Smiley J. Jones. And then we're also going to do stickers step by step. So how to design them, how to cut them out, and how some of the different techniques that I use to get it to cut. So yeah, but I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all about that. You guys have about 4 more days. The website is BrittWithTheBlanks.com. I'll put it in the comment section for y'all. BrittWithTheBlanks.com. And even if y'all not ready to register for this class, y'all can still join our email club where I send out free crafting advice. So if you're into sublimation and Cricut or running a business, I send you out free advice on those things, okay? But I'm got to get off here, y'all. It's late. It's 9 o'clock here, so but let's do a positivity session. Hopefully y'all liked the last video that we did where we made the Tumblr with all the pictures on there and stuff. But yeah, so let's go into a positivity session. If you are not wanting to like have a moment of positivity or participate, you can leave the live. And if you are joining the live, all we did was discuss our class that's coming up on May the 4th at 1 p.m. CST. Tickets are available on my website. And all you have to do is type in like Cricut. Type in Cricut and it'll pull up the class, okay? And then I'll also drop a link too. But yeah, so my positive word for today is to just keep, I think I've said this a couple of times before, but just keep going, even when things don't seem to be on track. The worst thing that you can do is to give up, because then you'll never get to where you need to be, okay? So just keep going regardless of what the situation looks like. If anybody else wants to drop a positive word, say something positive, then now is the time. We do accept Bible quotes. You can say something positive about yourself. You can say something positive about somebody else on the live. You can give a piece of business advice for crafters, whatever you want to do, but right now is the time, okay? So Miss Mika started it off. Well, she came second from me. She says, never give up. Do we have anybody else? Miss Wanda says, pray and stay focused. Thank you for those kind words, Miss Wanda. Do we have anybody else that wants to spread positivity, Bible quote, piece of business advice for crafters? Let me know. Let me know. I'm here and it's 9:03, so I'm going to give y'all until 9:04. Miss America says, keep moving forward. Amen, Miss Americas. Thank you. Miss Priscilla says, keep your head up and keep going. Thank you, Miss Priscilla. So, yeah, we got one more minute, y'all, and then we're going to end it, okay? Don't forget, if you're catching the replay, put hashtag replay in the comment section. Also, the class is going to be on May the 4th. If you're looking for it, just type Cricut into the search bar and it'll pop up. The class is only $9.99. It's one-time payment, lifetime access to the class, okay? Miss Wanda says, never be scared to try something new. Thank you, Miss Wanda. And with that, we're going to go ahead and close out this live video. Just know that I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and I hope to see y'all on Saturday, May the 4th at 1 p.m. Y'all know I be having fun when I'm crafting, so if you miss it, you just missed it. Love y'all. Bye. Bye.